Dear students, today discussed about the branch and bound for traveling salesman problem. Now traveling salesman problem who has to visit a number of cities during a tour and the com- condition is to visit all the cities exactly once and return back to the same city where the person started. This is the definition of traveling salesman problem. Now, traveling salesman problem already be discussed in the dynamic approach, solved with the help of dynamic approach, and traveling salesman problem solved with the help of greedy approach. Now, here we discuss the traveling salesman solved using the branch and bound. The definition of traveling salesman problem: the salesman person who visit all nodes exactly once and return back and it find the minimum optimum path. So basic steps of these algorithm of the traveling salesman problem. The first steps: suppose let is a graph is given g equal to v comma e. So g equal to set of vertex into set of edges, be a directed graph and as a instance of traveling salesman problem. So following step used for the solving of traveling salesman problem. First, the graph first represent the cost matrix where represented the cost matrix Ci comma j where the cost of edges is path I to j. If Ci comma j equal to 0, if path not exist. So first step, we calculate the cost of edges Ci comma j. If the path value या path weight given from I to j. If path between I to j not existed, then cost of this path equal to Cij equal to 0. In the second step, convert the cost matrix into reduced matrix, that is every row and column should contain at least one zero entry. After creating the cost matrix, next we convert the cost matrix into the reduced matrix, that is every row and column should contain at least one zero entry. Now the third step of solving the traveling salesman problem. Cost of reduced matrix is the sum of elements that are subtracted from the row and column of cost matrix to make it reduced. Right? The cost of reduced matrix is the sum of element that are subtracted from rows and column of cost matrix to make it reduced. Very important point. Now next point for solving the TSP problem, make the state space tree for the reduced matrix. Make the state space tree for the reduced matrix. In the fifth step, to find next E node, find the least cost value node by the calculating reduced cost metric with the every node. Now, the sixth step, if I comma j is to be included, then those are three conditions to complete the task. The first condition, change all entries in the row I and column j of 8 to infinity, the first condition. And second condition, set j comma 1 tend to infinity. And third condition, reduced and row and column in the resulting matrix except for row and column containing infinity. Now the seventh step for calculating solving the TSP problem using the branch and bound, it is calculate the cost of the matrix where cost equal to L plus cost I comma j plus R, where L is the represent the original reduced cost matrix and R is the new reduced cost matrix. Now 8 steps of the algo, repeat the above step for all node until all node are generated and we get a path. For example, For solving the matrix using TSP problem using branch and bounds, first we calculate the cost matrix is given C equal to infinity 7 3 12 8 3 infinity 6 14 9 5 8 infinity 6 18 and 9 3 5 infinity 11 18 14 9 8 and infinity. Now we create a reduced matrix. For the condition of reduced matrix, each row and column contain at least one zero. So here we subtract 3, here we subtract 3 in row first and 3 in the row second, and third in the row third subtracted from by minus 5, and the row fourth we subtract from fourth row in minus 3, and subtract in the fifth row 8. So subtract first minus 3, second row minus 3, third row minus 5, fourth row minus 3, fifth row minus 8. So we find the reduced cost matrix infinity 40950, and each row contain at least one zero. Now again we check, all row contain 0 and all column contain 0 except the last column. First column contains 0, second column contains 0, third column contains 0, fourth column contains, but in the last column, fifth column is not contain 0. So we subtract 5 from the last column, 5. So 5 subtracted from column fifth subtracted by minus 5. So we find the reduced matrix this. After solving the reduced matrix, we solve total cost of above matrix is the sum of total cost of reduced form, the original matrix. So we solve cost 3 plus 3 plus 5 plus 3 plus 8 plus 5 equal to 27. The total cost of reduced matrix to original matrix. So original matrix to reduced matrix. So this is the cost of reduced matrix equal to 27, because we sum and add all subtracted value from column and row. Now after finding the costs, starting with root node to node 2 3 4 5, because each node 1 travel in node 2 node 3 node 4 node 5. So we can write if we choose the node 1 to 2, then we calculate the value of this cost equal to 34. So if we choose the path 1 to 2, then reduced matrix cost for 1 to 2 node is work that like setting all entry in row 1 to infinity according to algo, setting all entry in column 2 to infinity because we travel from 1 to 2, and setting entry 2 to 1 equal to infinity, then reducing resulting matrix and find the cost. So according to this, we find the reduced matrix cost like that infinity. We first place the infinity value in the rows first, and place the infinity value of column second because we travel 1 to 2, and also setting all entry of column 2 to infinity and setting entry 2 to 1, and 2 to 1 equal to infinity, then reducing resulting matrix like that. After solving the reducing resulting matrix, we check all row and column are contain 0. So we subtract in second row minus 1 and fourth row minus 2. So each row contain 0. and each column also contains value 0. After finding this reduced matrix from 1 to 2, then we calculate the total cost. The total cost equal to C2 matrix equal to the actual cost of original matrix reduced matrix C1 plus cost of A1 to 2 plus 3. It means 27 is the actual cost, and and 4 is the cost of in array first matrix 1 to 2 equal to 4, and total subtraction for finding the reduced matrix equal to R value equal to 3. So total cost 1 to 2 travel equal to 34. Similarly, we can solve path from 1 to 3, 1 to 4, and 1 to 5. Now we solve the value of cost value of if travel from node 1 to node 3. So make all element in row 1 to infinity and column 3 to infinity and value of 3 to 1 to infinity. After placing the infinity value, row first, column 3 and 3 to 1 destination. So and find the original reduced matrix from this matrix. So we subtract 1 from 0 and subtract 1 from column 5. Then we find the reduced matrix. Now calculate the total cost of this matrix. C3 equal to actual cost A1 comma 3 plus R. C1 is equal to 27. We have already calculated the cost matrix, cost of the cost matrix, reduced matrix, and value of A comma 1 3 is given the matrix equal to 0, and here we use value of 1 plus 1 because we create the reduce each row and 0. We subtract 1 from row and 1 from column. So we find the cost matrix of 1 to 3 equal to 29. Now similarly, we draw the tree of this matrix and draw the all values of this matrix 3 4 2 9 3 8 2 8. After calculating, we find the minimum cost value from 1 to 5 is equal to cost equal to 28. If we travel node 1 to 5, then node travel 5 to other node like 2 3 4. Similarly, we calculate the value of the cost matrix, reduced cost matrix 5 to 2, 5 to 3, 5 to 4, and we find the value 5 to 2 reduced cost equal to 38, 5 to 3 equal to 30, and 5 to 4 equal to 29. Now next we choose the smallest cost of the value. Now we travel from node 4 to option 2 and 3. Now we calculate value from 4 to 2 equal to 30 and 4 to 3 equal to 34. So we smallest value equal to 30. We travel from 4 to 30 and 30 to 5. Then find total cost equal to 33. So path matrix is 1 to 5, 1 to 5, 5 to 4, 4 to 4 to 2, 4 to 2, 2 to 3, 2 to 3, and 3 to 1. So resulting, so calculate the value and find the solution of traveling salesman problem.